Rounding of numbers. The number 42,346, rounded to nearest 10,000 is 40,000. Rounded to nearest 1,000 is 42,000. Rounded to nearest 100 is 42,300. Rounded to nearest 10 is 42,350. The number 0.123456, rounded to nearest tenth is 0.1. Rounded to nearest hundredth is 0.12. Rounded to nearest thousandth is 0.123. Rounded to nearest 10,000th is 0.1235. Rounded to nearest 100,000th is 0.12346. Smallest number. Arrange the following digits to make the smallest 5-digit number possible without repeating any digits. Write the smallest number in 10,000s place. Next smallest number in thousands place. Next smallest in hundreds place. Next smallest in tens place. Next in ones place. The smallest is 0. Do not put it in 10,000s place, put it in thousands place. Next smallest in 10,000s place. Next smallest in hundreds place. Next smallest in tens place. Next in ones place.